Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by and don't know what that is, I'm just doing a different makeup look all 31 days of October. I am having a ton of fun filming this and I hope you guys are enjoying watching it. I am so sorry if you can hear my fiance and my daughter in the next room. They're playing. But today's look is this very classic Halloween look, I guess. I don't really know what I'm going to call it yet. I wrote trick or treat on the side of my face. I didn't really know where it was going. I knew I wanted to have classic Halloween colors in it. And when I think of classic Halloween, these are the colors I think of: black, green, orange, purple. This is a super cute doll that somebody I work with, their mom made it for Ellie. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? I'm so happy Ellie has it. I drew my color inspiration from this really cute doll. Look, she even has bloomers on. So stinking cute. But yeah, it didn't end up exactly where I saw it going, but I mean, it's not terrible. Hopefully not terrible. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My Instagram and other videos from my channel are always linked down below. My eyelash is popping up. It's been a long day. Let's get into the video, guys.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Alright guys, so that is it for the super weird look that did not go where I thought it was gonna go. Sorry if you guys can hear my baby in the living room, but I mean, they can't all be winners over here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below for more spooky shit all 31 days of Halloween. Bye guys, I'll see you tomorrow.